Good Saturday morning, my crypto friends. Mark's Crypto Corner News, and it is March 14th. And it's still cold outside, gray, but the birds are singing happily, so that's a good sign. And here we go. What's going on in the world of crypto? Bitcoin price poll. Why investors think BTC could fall to $3,200. Wow, there's a good buy-in. Wow, you could potentially own a Bitcoin or two after this whole global fiasco finishes up. When you get on the other side, after the halving, maybe in a year or two, Bitcoin will be, I'm pretty sure it'll be more than 3,200 if it goes that low. Anyway, confidence in Bitcoin price bouncing back is extremely slim. Really? I don't believe that. With 48% of respondents expecting more price slides in a recent Bitcoinist poll, Bitcoin confidence lost after deep crash. The confidence in Bitcoin is at low tide as nearly half of respondents expect more selling and extended capitulation. There you go. Capitulation. Okay, that's fine. Do what you gotta do. I'll see you on the other side. And next on world markets, embracing AI for greater profits. How can we tap into AI as a common person in the crypto community? Numerous discussions are going on about AI, and it's an unfair advantage, I think, or fair, I guess, if you're willing to pay for it. Going on about AI and computerized reasoning on the planet now. We are at a point where we are progressively coordinating machines into our lives. With consistent incorporation, robots can remove the test of battling with intermittent and monotonous assignments and let us center around progressively subjective concerns. Okay, well, yeah. AI can free up some time to do other things, I suppose, like discover more things that we haven't discovered yet. They're already doing that in some instances of it, as I've heard on reports. So what's next here? Bitcoin and a laptop. How to track, get, and set the best transaction fees with Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Once set up with a Bitcoin or Bitcoin Cash wallet and some coins, using and sending them is pretty easy. Part of this process involves paying a transaction fee, which is a small amount of coin included in a transaction, incentivizing miners to work the transaction into a block. All right, so find a good miner. Okay, that could be a useful article for some. I'll post it anyway. South African exchange ICE3X is launching a native utility token called Artificial Intelligence Coin, AIC. Holders of the IC utility token will receive discounted trading fees and participation in decisions of new listings, features, and functionality of the platform. It's kind of like a BNB coin where the exchange is using, they've got their own coin created for the exchange use, similar to BNB on Binance. AI coin is built on the Ethereum blockchain. That's why it's it's an ERC20 token. And I've mentioned this before. A utility token is not a cryptocurrency that has its own token or coin. Tokens are built off of coins and uses an existing blockchain. So utility tokens use an existing blockchain. They don't have their own. And Ethereum blockchain is pretty popular when it comes to ERC20. There's a lot of other tokens using the Ethereum blockchain for things. I don't know what things, lots of things. I don't know how BNB is built, but it basically does the same thing. So what's next? Ethereum price strains decentralized finance collateral loans as Black Swan event strikes Macadeo. What does that all mean? A black swan, that's interesting. The price of Ethereum dropping double digits on March 12th sent shockwaves shocking through the decentralized finance community. Macardeo's single collateral DAI has been struggling, and the low price of Ethereum has left millions worth of DAI or DAI, they call it, uncollateralized. The decentralized finance project's uncollateralization was also blamed on price oracle discrepancies. Well, I'm not going to get into that. All these prices that have dropped on crypto, they're going to bounce back anyway, so just hold your pants up, boys and girls. It's just a hiccup in the grand scheme of things. It'll go back up, so don't panic. It's a good time to buy, in my opinion. Even if Bitcoin's at like 5 and it drops to 3, it's still gonna. Okay, don't take my advice. Make your own choice, but I believe it's gonna go beyond obviously 10,000, 20, 30, 50,000 at some point in time. Not soon, maybe, but it'll get up there. I believe it'll go above 10,000 this year for sure. That's my opinion. Hold me to it. Make it happen. Okay. Let's see. 3 major positives from the crypto market meltdown. Yeah, good buying time. Yesterday's meltdown of the crypto markets was not entirely negative. Bitcoin, although price dropped substantially, has remained resilient through its first financial crisis. The network has stayed up and even made a higher low than 2018, and the halving is less than 60 days away. A higher low. You can probably understand that. It wasn't as low as it was last time. That's basically what that means. The network has stayed up and even made a higher low than 2018, and the halving is less than 60 days away. That's an interesting, exciting time. And then who knows what's going to happen. The world is a messed up place right now. Bitcoin just adds to the fun of it all, doesn't it? And all that crypto. All right. So what's next? Mr. Germany's Bitcoin group welcomes licensing for crypto custodians, expects competition from banks. Yeah, the banks are like, hey, wait for us, man. You know, it's like electric cars and the fuel companies and all that. All new stuff. Bitcoin Group SE, a prominent member of the European crypto industry, has been preparing to apply for permission to conduct crypto custody activities in its home country, Germany. The providers of such services in the Federal Republic are now recognized as financial institutions. They don't have any here in Canada. Bitcoin Group, which has been in the business for quite some time, welcomes the new business plan. Okay, I don't know what it means, but you know, it's a positive article and progression and all that good stuff, right? Progress is always being made. But if you break the law, they're going to throw you in this chair and strap you down to die. A veteran trader predicts more pain for Ripple holders. Yeah, Ripple's having some issues, some lawsuits apparently. Peter Brandt, a trader with over 30 years' experience in the markets, has predicted that the bottom could fall out from under Ripple. Brandt has previously made a vow not to post charting commentary on the asset because of constant harassment from the community, but today he made an exception. Not out of the woods. Wood needed. Yep. Well, the Ripple's being used for remittances and things like that, so I don't know. If the bottom falls out of Ripple, then they're going to have to find new ways to. There are other cryptos that forward and transfer remittances and all that banking stuff, anyways, so It's not like there's going to be a big gaping hole left if Ripple disappears. FTX exchange pays users gas fees out of its own pocket. Really, gas fees are like transaction fees, and you can choose your gas price. The faster your transaction is, if you choose a higher fee, your transaction will be done faster. I don't think those options are available all the time, uh, depending on how you're sending and receiving your crypto, I suppose. But that's what the gas price is. It's a transaction fee, basically. If you want it faster, you pay a higher price. If you don't care, you can pay the. It's like shipping. You want it there tomorrow or today in an hour or whatever it is, right? So there's always a fee somewhere, isn't there? After unprecedented trading volumes and some network congestion, the FTX exchange introduced special measures to boost trader confidence. FTX exchange compensates traders for Ethereum congestion. For the rising gas fees for Ethereum meant traders faced potential difficulties withdrawing funds. Yeah, I heard it was clogged up real good. The exchange also showed lagging transactions for tokens, potentially leading to losses. Yes, because when you make trades and network is slow, the price can change, and then the transaction that you were looking to complete may have gone sideways, right? So you don't want to. You gotta watch that. So there we are. Mr. Snowden, what he doing with Bitcoin? Edward Snowden felt like buying Bitcoin while traders hunt for the market bottom. Sooner or later, Russia's going to kick this guy out. And then what? Okay, following 3 consecutive days of losses, shedding 50 billion of the crypto economy, digital currency markets lost another 44 billion in a matter of hours on March 12th. Not only did Black Thursday wreck traditional markets, but gold and Bitcoin felt the brunt as well. Amidst the sell-off, the whistleblower Ed Snowden said, "I felt like buying Bitcoin." But did he? Can he? I don't know how that guy survives. He must have an income of some sort. Okay, so that's Saturday's topics in this crypto sphere. So thank you, and do yourself a favor. Click here. We're in a pre-launch here. There's some new things going on. You want to get in on that pretty soon. Put your email address there. There's some good information coming your way when you do that. And for goodness sake, give this like button a smash, would you? Just press on that button and become a member, a group member, hangout. All right, thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll post throughout the week. Talk to you later.